Hi, my name's Akhil and I'm the co-founder of IndiaPharmaHub. So off lately we've been receiving a lot of requests and feedback from a lot of service providers and businesses trying to list themselves on our platform. So here's me going to be shooting a detailed step-by-step guide on how to list yourself as a business or as a product seller or a service seller on our website. So here's how it goes. Create account and tap on it and then classify yourself as a customer or a service provider. In this case, you are a business or an entity who's trying to sell products or services on our platform. So here's where you tap. So you need to fill out your relevant details. Make sure your email address is a company domain because we are only accepting organizational email addresses. We're not accepting the generic Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. That helps us filter out and maintain the sanctity of the platform. So once you've entered all your details, the confirm button will become visible and you shall get an email in your inbox which will verify your email. So you go to that, you click on the verify your email link. So now you go back to homepage, go to the login button. So once I sign in, I get access to my own personal dashboard where I complete my profile with all the relevant and extra details as much as you can, as a more complete profile is more attractive to any buyer who's looking for the services that you offer. So once I've filled out all my details, I tap on the submit button. So once all the services that I offer, there are parent categories. You click on any of your relevant categories. You go in that. Every time you submit a service, our backend team approves it. There's no limit to services. You can add as many services as you offer. Say, for example, you find a service that is not listed with us on our website and you offer, you can also suggest that to us by tapping on this button. You click the category in which you fall. Say, for example, I fall under regulatory and compliance. I add the service that I want to suggest to the portal, and I also add a description of that service. Once that is done, that is again sent and submitted to our backend team for review and submission. And once that is approved and we find it reasonable enough for it to be listed on our website, it gets approved and your services get added. So once you have logged in and submitted your verification and our team has approved your listing, this is how your dashboard looks like. There's an overview, services, products, quotes, and settings, which is coming soon. Later you decide that you want to add more services. You go to services section, you go to and you can add any and every service that is relevant to you. This is how your quote summary will look like. And yes, that's about it. I hope this solves a lot of your queries.